Distress signal SOS through Morse light in accordance with Coleridge Annex 4 and ICS. Good day everyone. Today I will explain the method of transmitting and receiving distress signal SOS through Morse light in accordance with Coleridge Annex 4 and the International Code of Signals or ICS. The SOS distress signals is an intentionally recognized emergency signals used by ships, aircraft, and other vessels to request immediate assistance during distress situations such as sinking, fire, collision, or man overboard. Morse code is a communication system that uses short signals called dots and long signals called dashes represent letters and numbers. In maritime communications, these signals can be transmitted using the flashlight called a Morse light or signal lamp. According to Coleridge Annex 4 and ICS, the distress signals SOS is transmitted as 3 short flashes, 3 long flashes, 3 short flashes. This pattern means S dot 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 O dash 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 S dot dot dot. The Morse code pattern for SOS is short, 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 long, 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 short, short, short. In Morse code timing, a short flash lasts for 1 second. A long flash lasts for 3 seconds. There is a short pause between flashes. Example, flash, flash, flash. Long flash, long flash, long flash. Flash, flash, flash. To transmit the SOS distress signal, first, prefer the Morse signaling lamp or flashlight. Second, aim the light toward the receiving ship or situation. 3. Send 3 short flashes. 4. Follow with 3 long flashes. 5. End with 3 short flashes again. 6. Repeat the signal continuously until the assistance responds. The signals must be clear and visible, especially during nighttime.